Nice that you watched a new video. As you could have seen, the season is over, and well, now we're on our way to Jerez for the first test of the 2022 season. So yeah, well, it's more or less go the same way back as I came from Portimao, only then at Sevilla you turn left towards Jerez. And yeah, so a new test, a new bike hopefully, and yeah, we got a lot of things to test there. And then after that we drive back to San Marino to the workshop. So this week it's gonna be more or less like 3,000 kilometer drive. From Jerez to the workshop I drive with my colleague. So we hopefully can do it in 2 days. And then I fly back next Monday morning. Anyway, for now, yeah, just sit back, relax, and well, I hope you enjoy my video.
Straight up to me, said everything was wrong, didn't look right to me. You were my heart, stood straight up to me, said everything was wrong, didn't look right to me. Told the sunshine and I found the rain. And you've seen the clouds where blue skies have been. You told the sunshine and I found the rain.
Okay, so here we are in Jerez, a little over 700 kilometers done today from Valencia to, well, Jerez. And I parked the truck and we went to the hotel. I already had a shower, and in like an hour we go for dinner, and then yeah, tomorrow is setup day again. So yeah, let's go again. So today is Tuesday, for us it's setup day. We just had a quick lunch, and I'm here on the X1 grandstand, and well, as you can hear, the test teams are already testing. Okay, and that's the test done, and which also marks the end of the 2021 season. And yeah, we got to test the 2022 bike, and yeah, looks really promising. So hopefully yeah, we get good results next year. But for now, yeah, we have a long way to go and a short time to get there. So yeah, just a quick fill up and just quickly toilet break, and now yeah, let's go again. Okay, we already had quite the drive, and we just filled up our truck now with diesel and AdBlue again. And then yeah, we do just a few more hours to get yeah, close to Aix-en-Provence, and then call it a night. Want to book a hotel for this evening, and then tomorrow should be like 830 kilometers left. So quite busy here. Yeah. Let's wait until the truck is filled up and let's go again. So that's 1,500 kilometers done, or almost 1,000 miles. And yeah, tomorrow at least just 830 kilometers to go. And yeah, we just yeah, passed Nimes in France. And we book in a hotel. Yeah, it's nice to have like a proper bed, well, sort of, instead of yeah, sleeping with two people in the cabin in the truck. I mean, we're there the whole day already, so yeah, just a little bit different room. It's nice, and yeah, for tomorrow we're yeah, hopefully fully charged to do the last bit, and yeah. After that, go back to Bologna, and I fly on Monday morning. So, for now, good night.